In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful infographics for free using Notebook LM.
People are charging $200 per infographic, and they're not even designers.
If you're familiar with the basics of how Notebook LM works, use the timestamps down below to skip to the next section. But if you want the 1-minute recap or you're not familiar with it, this is Notebook LM. It allows you to create these different notebooks on different subjects. When you come over here to create new notebook, you'll be able to upload your source material.
There's a free Google tool called Notebook LM that most people are sleeping on. You literally just throw in YouTube videos, articles, PDFs, whatever you want to learn about. It becomes your personal research brain. And then it turns all of that into stunning infographics automatically.
Things like files, think PDFs or even images, links to websites or YouTube videos, things from your Google Drive, or even copied text. And what makes this unique is that all the information that you put into your notebook.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
Becomes part of the source material for that notebook, and it's grounded in that material. So for this notebook, I want to learn about wormholes. So I'm going to paste in some links to YouTube videos. I have some articles here, so I'm going to grab the links to those.
But here's the thing. If you just click the button, you'll get basic results. Let me show you the secret settings that unlock the real magic.
Once you have all the sources that you want uploaded, come over here to the right and you'll see the button for infographics. Now, if you just click this button, you're going to get good results, but they're not going to be exactly the way that you want, and you will not be taking full advantage of what Notebook LM can do. Instead, what you want to do is click on this pencil icon right here.
See that little pencil icon? Click it. This opens the secret settings most people never find. You can change orientation, landscape, portrait, square. You can set detail level, but pro tip: avoid detailed because it gets messy. Stick with standard or concise for clean results.
That will then open up the settings and allow you to customize your infographic. So obviously first choose the language of the infographic that's going to be outputted. There's a lot of different languages here. I'm going to leave it on English. And you can also choose your orientation: landscape, portrait, or square. Use whichever one that you want. I'm going to leave it on landscape. Then you can choose your level of detail: concise, standard, or detailed. And to give you an idea of what all of these look like, here's what concise looks like. Here's what standard looks like.
Now your settings are dialed in, but the real game changer, the prompt box. Let me show you how to copy any style you see online.
Have the prompt box. This allows you to describe not only what the infographic is about, but what you want it to look like as well. And this is where we can begin to have a lot of fun with this. So I have a bunch of tips I want to share with you on how you can use the prompt inside this box to get some really cool looking infographics. The first thing I want to show you is how you can create infographics in any style that you want.
Here's the hack. Find any infographic style you love online, screenshot it, upload it to ChatGPT or Gemini, and ask, what style is this? It'll tell you exactly what it's called. Then take that answer and paste it into Notebook LM's prompt box. Done. Your infographic now looks like a professional made it.
So let's say you're browsing the web or social media and you see an image that looks really cool to you. You love the style of it, and you want to be able to use this as a sort of template for your own infographics. All you have to do is download that image or take a screenshot of it, and then come over to your AI chatbot of choice. You want to go ahead and upload that image, and then simply ask it, what style is this? Then you can use this answer as a prompt inside of Notebook LM. For instance, here it tells me that this image is classic sketch.
But what if you don't want to hunt for styles? I've got a list of proven prompts that look incredible every single time.
So here's one that I really like. This one is Mini World, and I just used a prompt that said miniature world look with geometric shapes and blocky characters. Here's another fun one. This prompt is literally just chalkboard style. This style has to be one of my favorites though, and the prompt for it is really simple. It's literally just anime battle style.
Just type these into Notebook LM. Mini World gives you geometric blocky characters, chalkboard style, instant classroom aesthetic, anime battle style. This one goes viral. Kawaii, cute and fun. There's also tactile 3D, 90s retro gaming, and whiteboard. Copy these prompts. Thank me later.
We also have this tactile 3D style with inflated shapes. I'll have all these prompts, by the way, in the description down below. Some of my other favorites are 90s, kind of has that retro 90s gaming look.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
We also have whiteboard, which has a pretty cool looking effect. And then finally, one of my other favorites is this one, which is Kawaii. I believe I'm pronouncing it correctly, Kawaii. And it just makes these really cute, fun looking infographics.
Now you've got a gorgeous infographic, but there's one problem, that watermark in the corner. Here's how to remove it for free.
I have a beautiful looking infographic, but there's a small problem. Down here on the bottom right is the Notebook LM watermark or logo. Now, there's a few ways to get rid of this. You may have noticed that I do not have that logo on any of my infographics, and that's because I have a Google AI Ultra plan, but that runs you about $250 per month. So absent that, there are a few options.
Notebook LM slaps their logo on every infographic. The paid way to remove it, $250 a month. But there's a free tool called Magic Eraser. Upload your infographic, brush over the watermark, click apply, gone, download it, and you've got a clean, professional, sellable infographic.
So first, I found this tool called magiceraser.org. I tried it out. It does appear to be completely for free. The way it works is you upload your infographic. You can then choose the size of the eraser, just move over it, click on apply changes. And just like that, the logo will now be gone. And you can just go ahead and click on download, and then you have a completely logo and watermark free infographic.
You now have everything you need to create infographics that people will pay for. Save this video, try it today, and start building your side hustle. If you liked this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.